Okay, so today we're going to be looking at 4.3, page 242, and we're doing the explicit formula for determining the nth term of a geometric sequence. Now, the explicit formula we used before was for arithmetic sequences, if you're adding or subtracting. This is if you're multiplying. Okay, so the formula is g to the n is equal to g to the 1 times r n minus 1. Now be careful because this is a power, okay? That's a power. Now, what does that formula mean? Well, okay, you have your nth term as g to the n, the 5th term, the 6th term, the 7th term, is equal to the first term, whatever that number is, times, I'll make a big red dot there, the common ratio to this power, which is the previous term. Okay? So, in your book, you've been working on cell division as a problem. We got a little video here. We have E. coli, just for your amusement, multiplying. And we start with, if I can get it to run, we're starting with 2. There they are. And they're dividing. Now we have 4. Wait for it. Now they're going to start dividing. And everybody starts dividing by 2, and pretty soon you got more E. coli than you know what to do with. Now, the way that cell division would work, just like your problem, was for one cell divides, you got 2 cells, those 2 cells divide, you got 4 cells, 8 cells, 16, 32, etc. Okay? So every time we're multiplying by 2, our common ratio is 2. So my question is, what would be the 30th term? Well, let's see if we can put it into our formula. So what we'd have is g to the n is equal to g to the first term, times the ratio to whatever power. So the 30th term, remember the first term is just one cell. You don't start dividing. So that's going to be important in just a second. So it becomes the first cell was 1 cell times the common ratio, which was 2, times 30 minus 1, 29. Okay? So it looks like 30th term is equal to 1 times 2 to the 29th power. Now, what is 2 to the 29th power? Great question. Before we started, I actually did the math, and what I came up with was 536,870,912. So you're going to have an awful lot of cells by the 30th division. Hence, using your geometric explicit formula is much easier than trying to double. Word to the wise.